Alright, so I want to start this off by saying, yes, I do have two intros. I forgot to add something in the first intro, so this is being recorded after I done already recorded and edited the whole video. But alright, anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and start by saying this. I want to apologize for how fast I was speaking in this video. I didn't realize till I was editing, but I wanted to get this done as quick as possible, just because there was a lot to say about this app. But this video is, yes, as the title says, the best app for zero ping. But not only that, it also shows you some of the zero delay stuff I use. So filter keys and timer resolution has absolutely nothing to do with ping, nothing at all. The only thing that helps you with the ping in this video is GearUpBooster. Okay, so that's it for ping. That is the best app that I know as of right now for ping. It has been working tremendously better than Exit Lag the past few days. Exit Lag has been absolutely shitting itself. It's been kicking me out of games. I've been freezing. My ping's been jumping, and I've been lagging all the time. So I've been using GearUpBooster for quite some time now. So I highly recommend you give this app a shot. And if you already know about this app, good shot, because it's a good app. Let's put it that way. If you do not want to try it, that is okay. Also, you do not have to use my code. If you want to buy a month and not get a trial, that is on you. This code does not support me at all. I just want to make that clear for the people that think I'm only doing this for money. I don't get shit for promoting this code. Okay, just download it with the link in the description if you want to try it out, and let's get right into the video. Okay, so we're back with another video that, it's one of my most viewed videos on my channel, but also a lot of people that watch me all the time don't really like me making videos like this because they're pretty repetitive. Settings videos get repetitive if you keep doing settings videos all the time. So but we are back with another settings video, and this video is more for the newer people that are not yet on my channel that know about me, but also for some of the older people because they don't know a lot about everything I use or like how to do it. I can still get questions all the time asking me, hey, how do you do this, how do you do that? And so I'm basically gonna go over answer a few of you guys' questions. On top of that, a lot of you guys don't know how to do stretch res. I made a video about stretch res a while back, like a few weeks ago, and people are talking about how they have black bars on their screen, and I'm gonna show you how to get rid of that, what you need to do to get rid of that. Also, I wanted to mention something about GearUpBooster. So they've updated their servers. If you don't know what GearUpBooster is, it's essentially an app for better ping. As you see, actually, as you can't see, hold on, let me turn this on for you guys. As you can now see, GearUpBooster is this. It's an app where you boost your games. It's like Exit Lag, but it's cheaper. You have to renew your membership yourself, so if you forget about it, it won't charge you. On top of that, I have a code. You do not have to use the code. The code does not help me at all. But if you do want to try out GearUpBooster, link will be in the description. Go ahead, click that link, click download, go ahead and give it a shot. I recommend for sure to use my code. You click my wallet, and a little voucher would pop up right here. It says redeem code, and you type in Lzrgaming, redeem, and it gives you a trial. I've already redeemed it. I've already done it, but basically it gives you a trial. So, and you can try it out for free. If you like it, your month that you want to buy is discounted if you download with my link as well. But sorry, I'm promoting this for the people that don't know what GearUpBooster is. Why I use it is because when you're boosting a game, which I didn't have it on because I turned it off just to show you guys how it works. Boost the game, boom, boosting, shows you your improvement, shows you what your ping will be. My ping says 21. I can load into a game right now. It will not be 21. It will be more towards 0. I do live around an hour and a half away from the servers, so that could be why, but so I'm just gonna pick this one. I know it says 0 delay, and a lot of you guys get on me like, hey, you're loading into 0 delay maps. Why, you're gonna have 0 delay either way. You can't, all this stuff you're showing us doesn't really work when you're in 0 delay maps. I just want to say something. No map is 0 delay, okay? They all feel different for different people, and depending on the PC you have, everything feels different. Also, a lot of this stuff is location based. So if you have, filter keys and GearUpBooster, sorry, I'm losing my train of thought. Stuff like that, some of it's location based, some of it's system based on what you have. So if you have a really bad computer, I'm talking like horrible specs, you're probably not going to feel the 0 delay like somebody with a if you have a really bad PC, you probably will feel the 0 delay, unlike somebody with a god PC that probably has 0 delay no matter what they do, but yeah, so this right here, what I'm using right now is GearUpBooster. My game right now feels absolutely insane. As you see, my ping is 0. I got no packet loss. Ping is sitting at 0. When GearUpBooster, when I first started using it, when I first found it, it was pretty mid. I won't lie to you. It was decently mid, but they've been working on it, and now it stays at 0. It doesn't move too much, but it stays at 0. On top of that, I have like minimal delay. Like it's really low delay. Sorry if you heard that. Somebody followed my Twitch, but yeah. So there's like no delay. GearUpBooster, I'm not gonna say helps too much with delay, but it does help a little bit on top of like the zero ping part of it. But other than that, let me go ahead and show you some other things that I use. I use timer resolution. Okay, what timer res does? Hold on, let me show this. Boom. What timer res does is it overclocks your monitor, as I've said before. I'm gonna go ahead and speed run this. For some of the questions I've been getting about this is no, it will not get you banned. Okay, and you guys gotta listen to this part. Okay, because a lot of you guys still come to me even though I've said it 1,000 times. If you do not get 0.5, what it's supposed to say is 0.05, right? This is what it looks like. Hold on. Let me show you what it looks like when you first open it. When you first ever open it, it will say 1.0. Okay, and you hit maximum. Okay, mine's boom. Ready? It said 4.9. So I close it, reopen it, 4.9. I just keep going until I get the 5, right? And if you can't get 5, yours will just not get 5 for some reason. It is okay. It still works. It still works. But 5 is what you want. 5 is like the sweet spot for, no delay, right? And yes, it does still work. For the people saying, oh, it's all placebo. Oh, it's all like shut down. This doesn't work. It works, man. I don't know what to say. That's like the best I could say. I mean, try it if you want. You do not have to try any of this. And then the other thing I want to show you is filter keys. This works very well. What it does is when you're typing, it basically just like a macro. It's not bannable. It's not a macro, but it's like one. Don't know what a macro is. Basically, it like spams the key. But what this does, when you're typing with the key, it will click it multiple times by itself. So it's like rapid triggers on a keyboard pretty much, if you know anything about what that is. But yeah, so those are the two apps I use, the only apps I use, and then GearUpBooster. So other than that, basically everything else is just how my PC runs. My PC specs, for the people that have been asking, I have a 3060, not Ti, just a 3060. Okay. I have a Ryzen 7. Okay. I think it's a Ryzen 7. Hold on, let me tell you everything. Next page point, PC. I have a NVIDIA RTX 3060, Ryzen 7 5700G, 32 gigabytes of DDR5 RAM. I have, and then that's it. That's my specs pretty much. So that's the specs I have for my PC to feel really good. And I hold 240. I don't know if you can see my ping, but it's 240 consistent. If I put it on maximum, like some of you guys have asked me to do, let me go ahead and do that for you. Sorry, screen's dark right here. Let me go ahead and go over here. Oops, wrong thing. Full screen. Well, now my thing's gonna be bugged, but it's fine. Apply. Watch. I'll go ahead and show you this. Back. It's not the best in the world. I look up 300. I am recording, so it's gonna be a little off either way. My FPS is not gonna show the exact everything that I have, but yeah, I am recording 360 to almost 400. When I'm moving, it's a little off. But yeah, so that's what that looks like. Also, I actually clicked my thingy, so I'm back on native. I do play stretch res, so that's why it looks different all of a sudden. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and show you how to do stretch res now. And I'm sorry if this video is a little rushed. It's just, I've been over this 100 times, so it's like pretty easy for me to talk about now. But I'm gonna go ahead and close the game. You won't be able to see anything but a yellow screen for a second. So there you go. Now you can see. I'm gonna go ahead and show you how to do stretch res and what stretch res does, how it helps, why I use it, and stuff like that. So as I'm opening this up, I'll go ahead and show you and talk to you about why I use it and stuff like that. But alright, so to put it on, you need to pull this up. You can pull this up, you search run, it'll pop up, or you can type it here as well. So you type %local app data %, click enter, it'll pull up this. You find Fortnite game, double click, saved, double click, config, double click, right? And then you're gonna go to window client, game user settings, right click, properties, read only, turn off, apply, okay, and then okay, open this, scroll down, you're gonna find every setting that says 1920 by 1080. Mine says 1750 because that's the res I play on. But 1750, all this is 1750. You find yours, change all of them, 1920 by 1080. Or, sorry, it's kind of hard for you guys to see, but here, let me scroll down a little bit to where you can see it. But boom, you see it right here, it says 1750 by 1080. Yeah, you want to find all the ones that look like this. Yours will say 1920 by 1080 if you've never done this before. Mine says 1750 by 1080 because I've changed it. And then once you're done doing that, you go ahead, you click save, and then you close this, right click this again, properties, turn back on read only, hit apply, and okay, and you're done. It's good. but some people get black bars. Now let me show you how to change that. You gotta go to the NVIDIA control panel if you're having black bars. You don't have to go back in there and change anything. Okay, you come here. I know it's kind of hard for you guys to see. Let me go ahead and drag this over here. A little bit easier. It says 1750 by 1080. That is whatever res you're playing you want to make. And if you don't know how to make one, you hit customize. Okay, create custom resolution. Boom. Type the res you want here. This here. Refresh rate. Hit test. It'll make you test it before you could do it. And then you hit apply and you're done. It's very easy. If you have any questions, link will be in the description. Go ahead, just join the Discord server. It's very easy to, type in there. You don't have to DM me. You can if you want to. I'm not saying I'm 100% going to respond because I do have quite a few DMs. But just at me, ask anybody. They can help you as well. And you're good. That's pretty much it. But I do want to cover something else. A lot of you guys about GearUpBooster. Okay, let me explain something to you guys. For console, I'm going to go ahead and show you the console version. I'm not saying it's free. Okay, because it's not. And I do not have any way to get you a discount on this. I could put it this way. If this video, okay, gets 300 likes, I'll pick one console player in the description, one console player, and I'll send them one myself. I'll buy one for you. You join my Discord. When this hits 300 likes, I'll announce it in my Discord saying giving away one of these. All right, let me go ahead and show you what I'm talking about. Anyways, this is what it is. So essentially, it helps your Wi-Fi. It just boosts the connection. You can plug an Ethernet into it and all kinds of stuff. It boosts Switch, console, everything you can think of it can boost. Other than, I'm sure it can boost a computer, but you don't really need it if you're Etherneted. But it just basically, if you're getting bad connection on your Xbox, it takes your Xbox from having bad connection to really good connection is what it does. And I'll be making another video soon of me testing this on my own Xbox. I do own one. I would have to pull it out, plug it in. I'll show you me testing it. And then I'll be giving one away. Okay. And instead of this video getting 300 likes, the video that I post with me promoting this, if that gets 300 likes, I'll give one away to a console player in the chat or in the comment section. Okay, one, only one. And if it gets 600 likes, I'll give away two. And for every 300 milestone I hit, I'll give away another one. Okay. So let's see if we can hit those goals, and I'll give away until I guess it stops hitting likes. So if you do want one in your console, make sure you hit that like button on this video and that video. Okay. And make sure you turn on notifications for when this video is out. Be there. I'll be giving one away. And I'll be showing how it works and everything like that in the video. So for that, that's all I really have to say here. Yeah, go ahead, try GearUpBooster if you like it. I also do have Exit Lag over here because this is what I used to use. I kind of use GearUpBooster a little bit more now because they did fix their servers. As you can see, I have a 405% increase on top of that really low ping. This shows in-game ping, by the way, not creative ping. I run 0 in creative, but in-game I run around 18 to 20, which is what it's showing, okay? Go ahead, try this out. If you need help, Discord in the description. If you want to download it, link in the description. If you want any of these settings, hit me up. Just look up timer resolution for this one, filter keys for this one. Alright guys, thank you guys so much for watching the video, and if you have any questions, drop it in the Discord, drop it in the comments, like the video, subscribe, and be here for the next one. I'll catch you guys.